Healing waters, exploring the essence of restoration. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to dive into the fascinating world of English idioms, specifically focusing on the phrase, healing waters. This phrase is not just about water, but it carries a deeper, metaphorical meaning. So, if you're ready to enrich your English vocabulary and understanding, stay with us as we explore this interesting phrase. Healing waters is an idiomatic expression in English. An idiom is a phrase where the words together have a meaning that is different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. In this case, the phrase refers to water that has the power to heal or restore health. But there's more to it than just the literal meaning. Healing waters often symbolize purification, rejuvenation, and a sense of peace. They're frequently used in literature and everyday language to convey a sense of restoration and tranquility. Now, let's break down the phrase. Literally, healing waters can refer to waters with medicinal properties, like mineral springs or salt baths. But symbolically, it goes much deeper. These waters can represent anything that has a restorative and calming effect on our mind, body, or spirit. It could be a peaceful environment, a relaxing activity, or even a person who brings peace and healing into our lives. To understand how this phrase is used, let's look at some examples. After her long illness, the quiet beach was like healing waters to her soul. His kind words were like healing waters, soothing my troubled mind. In both examples, healing waters are used metaphorically to describe something that brings relief and restoration. And there you have it. The phrase, healing waters, beautifully combines the natural element of water with the concept of healing and peace. Whether it's used literally or metaphorically, it speaks to the human need for restoration and tranquility. We hope this exploration has been enlightening and adds a refreshing drop to your English language journey. Keep exploring, and until next time, take care.